Hi, here's a lesson on how to make your own fungicide through household ingredients. Very non-poisonous. I don't even know what's in store-bought fungicide. I've been told it's not the safest stuff, much less safe than safer soap or insecticidal soap. And it's expensive and sometimes hard to find. The concentrate is behind lock and key, and they give you a lecture about proper disposal when you buy it, and sometimes you just can't find it. But you can find all these ingredients. We've got vegetable oil, standard dish soap, and standard baking soda. No, that's not cocaine. This honeysuckle vine and this one and another one around the corner have been suffering from some kind of fungus, and they're not growing very well, and it's partially because of lack of light. So we're going to spray them down and give them this natural homemade fungicide. So what you need is a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Hi Annie, you want to be in the YouTube video? This is Annie. She's off camera. Fix your hair. So now we put just a splash of dish soap in here, and then finally a tablespoon of cocaine. What do you think?
Oh, that's a lot of cocaine.
Now, problem is our tablespoon measuring spoon is all covered in oil, so we should have done this one first. So I'm going to guesstimate a tablespoon. I'm saying that's about 2 tablespoons, so I'm going to take half of it. Okay. There we go, all done. Save that for another dose. And then lid on. Screw it nice and tight so you got a good seal. Pump it up. These you can get in any hardware store. They're great. Hose down your vine. Make sure it's really wet. Oh, give it a good shake first. Don't forget to shake your ingredients, otherwise you'll just have a weird mix. And he's left us. Drop the mic. Alright, soak it up. Another one. There you go, all done. I'll try it again next week. Hopefully these guys will recover and look gorgeous next year. Otherwise, out they come. Something else will go in there. Something that needs less light, I assume. Honeysuckle obviously need way more light than this. Oh well. Next time.